Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how you too can achieve this beautiful side ponytail. Just kidding, that's so not why we're here. So, what we're actually going to do today, if you are following me on Instagram, if you're not, link below. But if you are already following me on Instagram, you know that Jessicurl just essentially sent me pretty much their entire line. Anything that would apply to my hair type in their line, they sent me to try. So I'm stoked, and we're gonna test out some of those products today for the first time, for first impressions on Jessicurl. Yeah, woo! So really quick before we jump into that, welcome back. And if this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Janelle and we do all things curly and then some. If you haven't already slammed that subscribe button, you're gonna want to, so just go ahead and do that now. Slam that subscribe button, hit that bell while you are at it, because I don't want you to miss a thing. All right, let's jump into Jessicurl. So one of the really cool things about Jessicurl is that they offer free samples of every single one of their products. Extra bonuses, they have 3 different scents for every single product. So this deep conditioning treatment, for example, I can get in citrus lavender, island fantasy, or no fragrance. So you know, fragrance needing curlies, they have an option for you. In addition to having 3 different scents for every single product, they have 3 complete product lines. They have a line for fine hair, they have a line for thick, dry hair, and they have a line for coily hair. So that brings me to what we're gonna do today. We are going to use the deep conditioning treatment as a pre-poo, and then we are going to use the gentle lather shampoo, then aloba daily conditioner, then we are going to style with the Jessicurl Rockin' Ringlets and the Jessicurl Spiralicious Styling Gel. Woo! So each of these products is 8 fluid ounces and they all retail for $16.95. And you can also purchase in discounted bundles. So we're gonna start with the deep conditioning treatment. We are gonna use this as a pre-poo. There you have it. I'm going to wet my hair. I'm using my Curly Girl Vibes aerosol spray. Woo! Right, let's do this. So I have literally not even opened the packaging yet. Okay, so first little bit, incredibly thick and creamy. You just see that like sticking to my finger. Oh yeah, now that I got it out of the bottle, I can smell it. I'm going to rake this through all of my hair, and then we will twist sections. Detangling really easy. Let's split it up a bit. Just using a little dollar store clip. So when I deep condition, I like to twist my hair. This not only helps ensure that your strands are completely saturated, but it also helps encourage the curl pattern. It's a trick that I learned for the first time through my friend Angel, and I actually really love it. You just want to make sure that you're twisting in the direction your hair actually curls. And don't worry with this. One of the things I love about doing these twists is that if it's twisted in the opposite direction of the way your hair is supposed to go, it'll unravel. And then I also like to essentially like finger coil it as well, just to get that twist extra tight. And a trick I learned from Hi Felicia, Miss Felicia Jones, is to pull your hair in the opposite direction of, like, essentially I'm pulling it up, and this is going to help with volume. And so it's just like we're twisting to train the curl, I'm also pulling away from my scalp to train for volume. So now we are going to cover So I am going to leave this on for about 20 to 30 minutes. I'm gonna go sit outside in this hot Las Vegas heat and get my biggest bang for my buck. And then I'm going to check back in with you when we are ready to wash it out. So I will see you in the shower. Ready to wash. Okay, let's dive into the Gentle Lather shampoo. Ooh, I love the look of a cleanser like this. It is really like, it's like almost runny, and it's kind of got that like little like slimy feel that you get with aloe. That is like shockingly like slippery and really, really soft once you touch it to your hair. So it's not super lathery, but I really like the like slick feeling it has going through my hair. I think it's aloe. Ooh. So very like, it's like sticking to my finger, but simultaneously like a very like runny consistency. Let's see. It definitely has good slip. It's designed to be lightweight, and it definitely is not a super thick conditioner. Once I'm finished raking through and saturating my curls, I take a little bit more conditioner and I smooth my curls back together down the top of my hair. Just really bring it so everything's in one piece, and then I do not rake at any point moving forward in my wash day. So the instructions advise to leave this on for about 3 to 5 minutes, so I'm going to do so. Now to finish it up, I'm going to reapply some of the Aloe Daily conditioner. The instructions do advise that this can be used as a leave-in, so I'm going to just a bit. There we go. Now we are going to smooth this over the canopy. Next, we're just going to do a quick whip, whip. This helps add a little bit more moisture and disperses the product. So as soon as my shower is done, the first thing I do is flip over my curls and start scrunching out the excess water. You can also use a pulsing motion here, and this will help get in the conditioner as well as force in some extra water for ultimate hydration. So the last thing we're gonna do is flip back over and use our fingertips to lightly lift our hair away from the scalp. This is really helpful with volume. And that's it. Now I'm all finished in the shower. I'm going to let my hair air dry till about 50% of the way. I prefer to apply my stylers to damp hair, so I will check back in with you once I'm dry and are ready to apply. Heyo! We are back. Now going to apply stylers. So next thing I'm going to add is Rockin' Ringlets. I'm really excited about this. I've seen so many of my friends have really excellent results. I'm hoping that I experience the same. If you're wondering why I'm shaking, the bottle advises to shake before application. Ooh, this is a little bit stronger scent-wise. So it's about a quarter size amount, so I'm gonna stick with that. It's a very like watery consistency, but also like kind of gooey. What I'm going to do is smooth it over the canopy on both sides. Now I'm going to scrunch it in as advised. Now we are going to follow up with the Spiralicious Styling Gel. This is the combo that my girlfriend Dom recommended. This also advises to shake, obviously. So the styling products definitely have the more potent scent. We'll just scrunch it in. Ooh, okay. So that is a, kind of like a cream-like consistency. Look at that, like, stick. So I'm gonna do the exact same thing. I'm gonna smooth it over both sides. I'm gonna start underneath. I'm putting a little bit more gel on my fingertips, and then I'm gonna go in at my root, and I'm gonna lightly pull my hair away from my scalp, not rubbing this on my scalp, I'm rubbing it at the root of my hair. So in, up. This not only pulls the hair away from your scalp, but it really helps with volume, especially using the gel, because it gives it that little bit of hold. Okay. So I am going to air dry for probably about 20 more minutes, or until my hair is about 70 or 80% of the way dry, and then I'm going to diffuse 100%. I am going to check back in with you once I am completely finished with my hair. And we are back with the finished product. So let's talk about what's going on here. A lot of the things that I read about this combination is that essentially it provided like the softest yet most defined curls. And that is like the absolute best way to explain it. My curls are so defined right now. I'm actually like really surprised by it. And I guess the place that I'm like the most surprised is right here, because this area, and with all my grays, it does a lot of like funky stuff, and without me doing anything special. I mean, you saw how I applied. There's a lot of definition in those curls, plus they're hydrated. I mean, what a win-win. So overall, I'm actually really happy with the results. The definition, how hydrated my curls are. To say that these products from Jessicurl pass first impressions is an understatement. And something I forgot to mention earlier is that these products are not only cruelty-free, but they are completely vegan, which is also a huge, huge, huge factor. If you don't know, Daniel and I are doing our best to convert to a completely vegan lifestyle. We're taking our baby steps. We've started primarily with food, and I'm doing it with beauty products wherever I can. So I'm always so happy to find products that are. So thank you so much for joining me today. I absolutely love having you here. If it was your first time, it's time to commit. First time, or if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Like, let's just, come on, we've talked about this before. Let's make it official. Go slam that subscribe button, hit that bell while you're at it to turn on those post notifications so that you don't miss a thing. And I'll see you next time. Bye.